It's my pleasure to welcome you guys to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub, and in today's video guys, I'm going to show you guys how to create powerful 3D logo design in CorelDraw step-by-step tutorial. But before I get today's tutorial started, don't forget to click like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post content about Corel tutorial, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can create this powerful 3D logo design in CorelDraw. So first step to take is to go to your toolbar right here. Make sure you select your circle. Having selected your circle, press down Ctrl key and draw a perfect circle. Okay, you can easily control the size from the home tab right here. Right here, you type in 620 for the width, and the height type in 620, and then press enter on your keyboard. So you can press P to centralize. Okay, so you have to make a duplicate of this shape. For you to do that, you have to go to edit from the home tab here, go to edit, and then make a copy, go back to edit again and click on paste. So the duplicate one right here, we can come to the circle size and resize this shape. So right here we can type in 250, then the height should be 250 or so. Once you're done, press enter. Next thing you want to do is to press shift key and select the big circle and press R. This will allow you to align to the right center. Okay, next thing you want to do here is to select the big circle, then double click. This will allow you to bring out the rotation pane. Then the rotation pane you can snap to the center of the small circle. Okay, next step you have to take is to go to the home tab right here, click on window, then from window go to Dockers. From Dockers you have to go to transform, from the point here you type in 45 and type in 8 right here. Make sure rotate is checked. Once you're done, you click on apply. You're going to have stuff like this. Okay, so you can exit from the transformation, close that up. Next step you have to take is to come down below here and select your smart fill tools. Select your smart fill tools. So having selected your smart fill tools, then you can begin to fill all the necessary area. Okay, okay, once you are able to fill to this point, you can begin to delete some of the circle. Next thing you want to do is to select everything, then come down below here and right click on this point here. This will allow you to remove stroke. Next thing you want to do is to weld some of the shape logo shape into one. So select this shape here, shift key and select this, 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 then click on weld. So you can easily change the color so it allow you to identify. So sorry for the mistake.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Now you can select everything like this and come down below here and right click to remove stroke. Then you can resize the logo shape, press shift key and drag. Then you can press Ctrl J to group and press P to centralize. Next thing you want to do is to ungroup all the elements, the logo elements, and apply your gradient color. So for you to apply your gradient color, you have to come down here and make sure you choose your interactive fill. Click and hold down and choose interactive fill tools. So you choose interactive fill, so I'm going to copy from here. I'm going to copy from here. Boom. So I'm going to select the second shape and click on copy. Boom. So the third one, click on copy. The fourth one, click on copy. The very last one, click on copy. So finally we can select everything again and come to the home tab here and make sure you group. Then you can press shift key and drag. This allow you to increase the logo size. Next thing you want to do is to go to your circle and then draw a circle at the bottom for you to create a shadow. Fill it with black. Then select your transparent fill. Then make sure you choose fonting and choose the eclipse. Next thing you want to do is to go back to your move tool, press shift key and select the logo shape, press letter C. This allow you to align to the vertical center. Press Ctrl J to group and P to centralize. So guys, this is how you create your professional powerful 3D logo in CorelDraw step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post content about Corel tutorial, you'll be notified. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.